What's up, guys? This is Big E coming to you from Big E's Car Garage today. Before we get started in this video, be sure and hit that like and subscribe button, guys. So what am I going to talk to you about today? Well, the weather in Texas has been crazy. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but guys, today we're going to talk about this 1-year review on my SVE Mustang wheels. So as you can see, guys, on the front, I am sitting on 17x4s. These are wrapped in Mickey Thompsons. We're gonna move around to the back. We got our 15x8s here. These are sitting on 275 50-15s. Now guys, I've had these wheels on for more than a year, of course. These are very popular. These are one of the big sellers at LMR.com. They're on a lot of Mustangs, especially for drag racing applications. As you can see on the back, guys, I've got drag radials because I do take the Dark Horse GT to the track quite often, or as often as I can anyway. On the front, we've got the skinnies. This is a nice setup. Not only does the car looks good, it looks fast. Why? Because it is fast. Guys, I will say these are excellent wheels. You've got the 5 spokes that are very popular. You can see we've got the small Allen wrenches keeping your center caps on. These are very lightweight wheels. So guys, we're gonna move up here to the front. And like I say, again, on the front, I am sitting on 17x4s. You can see these are the skinnies, lightweight up front, giving it that drag appearance look. I will say I do not ever drive this car in the rain due to the drag radials on the back. We were at the track one time and it did start raining, and I had to ease on home, that's all I could do. But the car didn't give me any trouble. But I would never take my car out in the rain. The car is always brought out on dry, pretty days, or when my brother and I headed to the track. Again, guys, these wheels from LMR, like I say, the SVE wheels, they are very popular among Mustangs and a lot of race cars. You see them quite often on Facebook, Instagram, most of the time on Mustang GTs. So they are a popular wheel. What I will say, guys, like I say, these wheels, you can actually get them in 2 different color options. I, of course, went with the black because I want my car blacked out, but you can get these in a chrome version too. So you guys out there that like the chrome, SVE, they have something for you too. So again, guys, just a little quick 1-year review on these wheels. They've been really good. The price isn't bad either, so you can't beat this. One day I may decide to go with something else, but for right now, these SVEs are treating me nice. Like I say, very inexpensive, race looking oriented wheel, lightweight, guys. Again, you can always find a nice tire combo for these. Eventually out back, I want to step up and get a little bit bigger tire. Of course, we got to get the girl here, the Mustang GT, making a little bit more horsepower. As I told you, that's coming with the motor rebuild, and I'm still deciding on that, guys. Am I going to rebuild the 4.62 valve, or am I going to do the Coyote swap? It's still up in the air, and I don't have the answer for you yet, but trust me, I'm working on it. But today, guys, like I say, I just wanted to come to you, give you a quick 1-year review on these SVE wheels. Again, guys, check out LMR.com. They have all your Mustang needs. These wheels, again, are very popular. You see them all over the place. I see a lot of them at the track, and right now you're seeing them on the Mustang Dark Horse GT. So I just wanted to give you a review of these wheels. I love them. No complaints on my end. I do not use TPS sensors in these wheels. Like I say, it's just straight valve stems in there. I won't tell you what tire pressure I run, of course, but again, I do not use TPS sensors in these wheels. So guys, that is a 1-year review on these SVE Mustang GT wheels. If you hadn't already, guys, be sure and hit that like and subscribe button. Subscribe to Big E's Garage channel, and you never know what you might find out. We're going to be coming to you a little bit later, from the track once the weather warms up. But like I say, it's been cold and snowy here in Texas. I hadn't had old girl out, but it was a pretty day today, so I figured I'd get it out, give you guys a quick video just to let you know I'm still around. So again, guys, till next time, peace.